How to use Sora using Chatgpt account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to use Sora using Chatgpt account, firstly make sure that your Chatgpt is a subscribed account and not the free one, as you will need a Chatgpt Plus subscription account and the access to GPT-4 with the Sora module baked into it. Or you can also go ahead and open Sora.com in your preferred browser and then further log in with the same Chatgpt Plus login credentials, and with this you will be led to Sora. Next, in the chat box, type something like generate a 10-second cinematic video of a wolf running through snow at night, moonlight casting shadows, or you can also enter any other prompts of your choice. If you are eligible, you will get video generation tools like upload buttons, aspect ratio, etc. So, this was about how you can use Sora using Chatgpt. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.